This is my fun little project for the day. Little outdoor shower mounted to the side of the water heater shed. We decided on exposed plumbing because to put it recessed in the wall was going to require moving the water heater in and out, and this is just a rough outdoor shower. My customer is a surfer, and he complained that he has to trudge through the house with sand on his feet and on his body. So he just wants a little something outside to rinse off when he gets home from the beach. And then what we've got here is the mixer, price-pfister, or I guess it's just Pfister now. We got hot on the left, cold coming in. Used strut pipes, strut channel strut for strapping this to give it secure, since we're off the wall a little bit. I wanted to make sure this valve wasn't going to move around on him. And it comes up and it goes into a two-way diverter. This little guy here is going to be the hand spray up to the shower head. Here's the finished product. All the copper lines have been insulated for protection against the weather, and in the very rare event in Mill Valley of freezing, it's got some insulation on there. You see, we've got our mixing valve down here, which controls the water on. Right now the diverter is pointing to the hand spray connection there. You can turn that up. And there you go.